Hello and welcome to the complete WordPress course for beginners. In this course, we're going to talk you through how to build a website that looks just as good as this. Nice big modern home screen with graphics explaining exactly what your website does and a nice call to action at the bottom of your website. Included in this course is how to make your website responsive for mobile screens. Also included in the course is how to create an about page that looks like this, that has a story about who you are and has some images that shows exactly who you are and helps people connect with you. We look forward to having you in our course, and let's get right into it.